Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to add bank account to Crypto.com. First, open your DeFi Wallet app on your mobile device. Now tap on Buy from the home screen. This will take you to the cryptocurrency purchase options. Then select any cryptocurrency you wish to buy and tap on it. Next, tap on Connect to link your Crypto.com app account. This step is essential for managing your transactions between the DeFi Wallet and the Crypto.com app. Now check both boxes to agree to the terms and conditions, and then tap on Connect Wallet. After connecting, go back and tap on the clock icon from the top right corner to access your account settings. Now tap on Connect Account to add your bank details. Go back and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy again. Enter the amount you wish to purchase and tap on Next. Then tap on Got It to proceed. Here, enter your email address associated with your Crypto.com account and tap on Continue. You will receive a code sent to your email address. Enter this code to verify your email. Then tap on Debit/Credit Card to add your bank account details. Fill in all required information, such as the name of the card, card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have entered all the information, review it for accuracy, and then tap on Submit or Add Card to finalize the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.